The Hurricane is a refreshing rum-based cocktail complemented with tart passion fruit and orange flavors that's ideal for summer sipping. Origins of the iconic Hurricane glass begin in New Orleans during the 1940s, where its design is said to have been inspired by a kerosene hurricane lamp. It has since evolved into what we now recognize as a fun vessel for tropical cocktails, reminiscent of vacation getaways and beachside relaxation. These glasses are also great for pina coladas, blended mojitos, or a sweet and fresh rum punch. From the classic curvy varieties to the modern artisan-made picks, here are the best Hurricane glasses.
Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1, Venezia Collection 4-piece Hurricane glass set. Picture yourself sipping a deliciously decadent pina colada or fruit daiquiri out of this classic Hurricane glass. These well-designed glasses have a distinctive wide hourglass shape and a comfortable grip that receives high marks all around from reviewers. They come in a set of 4, perfect for the household or a small party. The set's glass is thick enough that you won't have to worry about them shattering while being used outdoors, but thin enough to maintain an elegant look. The weight of the glasses is balanced and feels secure in your hand. Reviewers are also impressed with how the glasses manages to keep their beverages chilled, even on the hottest of days. Number 2. Lav Hurricane Glasses Set. These Lav glasses are a steal, with the set coming out to less than $5 per glass. Each is constructed with a heavy base and sturdy quality so it won't get knocked over easily during your backyard parties. Packaged as a set of 6, they are also dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. You will definitely make a splash as the host of the party with these charming Hurricane glasses. Bryn Smith of Bartending Pretty enjoys serving cocktails with tea or even aperitivo mashups. It makes the drink extra festive and immediately puts you in vacation mode. She says, people report these are a hit for beer as well since the curvy silhouette mimics the IPA glass shape. Another bonus is that the material is 100% recyclable and environmentally friendly. Number 3. Libbey Tiki Pineapple Glasses. Immerse yourself in a tropical getaway experience with these fun pineapple-shaped glasses. The 17-ounce glasses have plenty of capacity for your frosty cocktail creations. From rum punch to strawberry daiquiris. They're made of thick and sturdy glass that many reviewers note feels nearly indestructible. The unique pineapple shape and texture make even the most simple of drinks look vacation-worthy. They are delightfully novelty while still looking refined. These glasses are guaranteed to bring some joy to your next backyard entertainment and would look especially appealing with the right garnish. Add some twisty straws and little paper umbrellas for some playful final touches. Number 4. Raye Angled Stemmed Hurricane Glasses Set. We love the elegance of these glasses by Vizky, a tried and true brand well loved for its reliable and beautiful quality of glassware. Rest assured that these will last you through multiple summers. Unlike some other cheaper produced glasses, these have no seam and thus boast an almost weightless appearance. The lead-free crystal makes for a brilliant clarity to showcase your sunset-hued cocktail creations. The angled lip adds an edge to the tall curved shape of the glass and could make even the most basic of beverages look significantly more sophisticated. A Hurricane glass as stylish as this deserves to be served only the best of cocktails. Number 5. Joy Jolt Terran Pina Colada Glasses. If you're seeking glasses that can hold substantial portions of your favorite tropical cocktail, look no further than these premium restaurant quality glasses from Joy Jolt. The wide base and long silhouette leave plenty of room for layering your beverage creations, endless garnish possibilities, and just getting creative with it. We are also fans of how the double-walled design ensures it will keep your drinks as cold and refreshing as possible. They are durable as well, constructed out of heavy-duty glass that makes them perfect for carrying around outside and mingling. These glasses receive praise through and through from reviewers, from their design to durability, performance, and presentation. So serve up the generous pour you deserve, and allow these Hurricane glasses to curate a staycation experience in your own backyard.